Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Keap CRM app for small business leads. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Keap CRM app, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you have an iPhone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store instead. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type Keap CRM and press enter. Review the search results to find the official Keap CRM app. Look for the app icon featuring a green background with a white K. Tap on the app to open its details page. Here, you can read a brief description of the app's features and benefits. To proceed with the download, locate and tap the Get button if you're on an iPhone. For Android users, you will see an Install button instead. Once you tap the button, your device will begin downloading the app. Wait a few moments while the app installs on your device. When the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the Keap CRM app for the first time. If prompted, grant the app necessary permissions to access your contacts. Next, you will be guided through the setup process. Enter your account details or create a new account if you don't have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your settings. Once you complete the setup, you are ready to start managing your small business leads. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. Now you can effectively track and nurture your leads using Keap CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.